Learn about the largest rainforest and its impact on the world.
What exactly is a rainforest?
A rainforest is an ecosystem with heavy rainfall and consistently high temperatures. It creates a hot, humid environment, something like a greenhouse. Rainforests cover only 6% of the Earth's landmass, but host over half the world's plants and animals. Crucial to regulating the Earth's temperature, rainforests help to offset the effects of global warming.
What is global warming?
Global warming is climate change that causes an increase in temperature. Excessive amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases block heat from escaping the Earth's atmosphere and interrupt warming and cooling cycles. Human activity causes the excess carbon dioxide, from the use of fossil fuels for transportation and manufacturing to the destruction of forests and plant and animal habitats.
So how do rainforests help prevent global warming?
Their dense vegetation absorbs large quantities of carbon dioxide. This diminishes the effects of global warming. The Amazon rainforest is the largest in the world. Thus, it is crucial to the fight against global warming.
How big is the Amazon rainforest?
It covers an area similar to the continental U.S. The size of the rainforest directly relates to the river that feeds it. The Amazon is the world's largest river. The Amazon River Basin consists of both the river and the surrounding rainforest. Located at the equator, the sloping basin receives each year about 7 feet of rain, which slowly drains into the river. The basin covers over 40% of South America.
What countries are part of the Amazon River Basin?
Most of the basin is in northern Brazil, but it stretches into Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, and beyond.
Do these countries share ownership of the rainforest?
Each country controls its section of the rainforest. Protests against rainforest destruction, however, are most often directed at Brazil. The rainforest covers over half that country, so it has the most responsibility.
How is the rainforest being destroyed?
Businesses clear huge areas of Brazil's rainforest. Cattle ranchers level the forest to create grazing fields and produce beef for the fast food industry. Logging, farming, and mining can also be destructive. Native farmers clear small areas to feed their families, but this causes relatively little environmental damage. In recent decades, at least 232,000 miles of the Amazon rainforest have been lost.
Why does Brazil allow this?
The government sanctions some large-scale clearing, but much of it is done illegally. The Brazilian rainforest is so big that law enforcement and fire protection are difficult. Fires are often set to clear farm and pasture land. If a fire spreads, tons of carbon are released into the atmosphere, causing further environmental damage. Rainforest destruction also means the loss of the Amazon's incredible biodiversity.
What do you mean by biodiversity?
Biodiversity is the number of organisms in an ecosystem. The rainforest sustains more than 600 mammals, many that don't exist anywhere else, 3,500 bird species, 2,000 fish species, 2 million insect species, and 150,000 plants. In what many view as a race against time, scientists bioprospect the Amazon to classify unknown species of plants and animals. Many rainforest species have medicinal uses. For example, the secretions from an Amazonian frog are used in medicines to treat strokes, seizures, and Alzheimer's disease. And over 70% of cancer-fighting plants are from the rainforest.